Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to explore 8 JavaScript features that you should know as a developer without losing a lot of time. Let's step right into those features and understand more about them. Number 1 in the list is let in const. Let in const are block scoped variable declarations, and the rule is that you have to use let when you expect that variable to change in certain time, and you have to use const when you expect that the variable will not change at all. These declarations help you write safer and more predictable code. Number 2 is arrow functions. Arrow functions provide a shorter syntax for writing functions and automatically bind this keyword in JavaScript. They're great for writing cleaner and more concise code. Number 3 is template literals. Template literals are great for string interpolation and string concatenation. They make code more readable and manageable. Number 4 is destructuring. This is another handy feature of JavaScript, and destructuring allows you to extract values from arrays or properties from objects into variables. In the example, we have a const person object with key value pairs, name Alice and age 25, and below that you can see how destructuring works. Basically, we are saying const, opening curly braces, and inside those curly braces we are extracting the specific properties that we want from that person object. In that case, name and age, and there we are console logging them below. Number 5 is default parameters. These are great when you want to provide a function parameter with a default value, and well, this makes your functions more flexible and error proof. Number 6 in the list is spread operator. The spread operator is a handy syntax which expands an array or object into individual elements or properties. It's useful when you want to combine arrays, clone objects, and more. Number 7 is promises. Promises allow you to handle asynchronous operations more easily, avoiding the callback hell. They provide a cleaner way to handle asynchronous code in JavaScript. You will use promises a lot in your everyday work as a JavaScript developer or front-end developer when you have to call an API and stuff like that. Number 8 is optional chaining. Optional chaining allows accessing deeply nested properties without having to check each level for null or undefined. What I mean here is seen in the example. We have declared a user object, which inside it has another object called profile with key value pairs of name equal to Alice. And we're trying to access the user profile name in the console log, and that outputs Alice. However, if we try to access user contact email, which doesn't exist, this normally will throw an error. However, because you're using the question mark, which is the optional chaining feature, it will say undefined and it will not throw an error. So optional chaining is great for preventing runtime errors, and you will not have to check for null or undefined in your code with a bunch of if-else statements or switch statements. So it's a great way to avoid those things. And that was all about 8 JavaScript features that you should know in 2024. If you like such content, I prompt you to subscribe to my channel because you will learn a lot. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you again in the next video.